able to understand the terminology, in that case, if you refer the video, you can clearly understand you can listen the video a number of times until you understand the terminology. Okay. So when it comes to the DevOps, as part of the DevOps, so there is one more terminology like a cloud platform technology. So the candidate in the real-time scenario for the interview, so they are not only looking for the DevOps candidates, they should also have some other background on cloud also. Like they will ask, do you have good knowledge in AWS? Do you have good knowledge in Azure? Do you have good knowledge in GCP? Even if you learn one technology, we can easily adapt other technology, because all the three cloud platform technologies, everything concept is same. Only the user interface and the naming conventions are different here. So if you learn any one of the cloud platform, we can easily adapt other one also. So that's the reason even in the interview they will take, if you are taking interview on AWS, so once you join the organization, they will tell that, are you interested to move Azure? Means we can easily move it, because both three are the same cloud platforms, but this was developed by different companies. AWS was developed by Amazon, Azure was developed by Microsoft company, and GCP is developed by Google. Okay, the three companies, they have providing their own cloud platforms. So our resume will be like a combination of DevOps plus AWS, DevOps plus Azure, DevOps plus GCP. Okay, so that's the reason this is an additional skill set they are looking for the now the candidates. They are not only looking for the DevOps candidate, they are looking for the additional cloud technology they are looking. So in your resume, if you put both the DevOps activities as well as AWS thing, then only our resume will be picked out and you will get the calls. Okay, so if you are having only the DevOps, you will be getting the less calls. Okay, that's the reason we have to learn cloud platform technology as well as DevOps. DevOps is a common thing. Okay, when it comes to the AWS cloud platform, we don't have any kind of a okay, so we have a duration is there. So if you want to complete the DevOps, it will take 35 classes minimum. Even if you want to complete the AWS, we will have 30 classes. Okay, there are certain topics are available in AWS. So we have to complete the AWS. So AWS is a separate class and DevOps is a separate class. So the persons who are from the non-native background, so just first go through the AWS. So they will get some confidence here. But when case of DevOps, we have some kind of a scripts will be there. You have little bit knowledge on the, like if you are from the BTech background or something, you will understand how the scripts will be. Scripts, commands will be there here. Okay, in case of non-native people who are working or who are learning the DevOps, they have to spend more time when compared to the IT people. So IT people, if you tell something, they can easily understand it. So log into the server, checking the IP address, what is meant by IP address means they will understand it. But for the non-native people, it is difficult to understand the terminology. So they have to spend more time on this training session. Like, okay, so based upon the timings and based upon your availability, we will take the two classes. So we have two availabilities there. One is 7 a.m. Another one is 9 p.m. Which one you want to start it? Based upon your availability, we can continue it. Otherwise, we'll go with first one tool. After that, if you want to go with other tools also, fine. For me, no issues. I can take parallelly two classes, one class for AWS and one class for DevOps. And if you want to continue only one class, so we will skip another timings. We will only continue one sessions on one particular technology. Okay, it's up to you. If you are able to understand both the things, if you have a time to practice both the things, we can take two classes. One for AWS, based upon your availability, we can continue DevOps on morning and 9 p.m. we can take AWS classes. Okay, so based upon your availability and based upon your understanding, you are able to understand, you can follow it, and you can also do the practice. So we can do it. Okay, so coming to what are the things will be available in the DevOps and AWS. So first of all, if you want to go with the DevOps, okay, so DevOps is nothing but combination of two teams are there. So one is Dev means developers. So another one is Ops is nothing but operations team. Okay, there will be before coming to the DevOps team. So there will be two teams are there. So one is developers team, another one is operations team. Developers team is nothing but the person who is writing the code in. like C++ coding,